Here again, doing boat jobs again. I've got a couple of jobs to do today. One of them is the water pump on the engine. I need to change the impeller, so I'm going to do that. Also, I've got a really nasty job, and I might not do it today, might do it a different day. But it's basically changing the joker valve on the toilet. The reason for doing that job is because last year it started to leak back, so stuff was filling back into the toilet bowl. So it's a good idea to change it every so often. And I heard, and I don't know how true it is, the winter antifreeze that we use in the water system, like RV antifreeze, is not good for the material that it's made out of, and therefore because we use that over the winter, it makes it worse. So I've waited till after the winter to be able to make this change. I've never done this job before, and I hope it's not as nasty as it might be. Anyway, this is right after it's in the winter, so the line should be full of, at the very most, antifreeze. So we'll see if I can do it without. Screws come out pretty easily. They are just tapped into the plastic, so make sure you've got a lot of tissue around you just in case it's necessary. And I'm wearing gloves. Make sure you wear gloves. Right, so the screws are out. I'm just going to put them out of the way so they don't fall anywhere. Just going to move that back, and then take out the joker valve itself, like so. It's not that nasty, but not great either. I'm going to look down here. They said, you know, make sure you can't see light through it, and if you can see through there, I don't know whether the camera can, but there's definitely light through it, which is why it's leaking back, why it needs replacing. I'm just going to put that one on there, and then this one is going to go in, the new one. And it's as simple as that. It's really a simple job. And then mate it back up. And they said, try to see if you can pick up the same screw connections as you had previously. So basically, it seems like the trick is to rotate it backwards until it clicks, like till you feel it go, and then it's really easy after that. Actually, this one's not as easy. The other side went in like it was like meant to go there. This one I just felt the screw go through the other side, so it's all the way home. Don't go too tight. Can you hear that? Did you hear that crack? Hopefully that didn't do anything too bad. Right, that's that job done.